on my lane, you all on my lane. You ain't overlooked, so get out the way. I gave you the book, I gave you the game. The boy gotta cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like you Nino. Plenty bitchin', whipping different flavors like a bistro. Kick it, dip it, flip it, keep it hunting like a seed note. Switch and keep it pimpin' every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
What's going on, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Now, my voice sounds a lot better because I'm doing a lot better, but here's one of the drinks that I drank when I was dealing with COVID-19, and I hope it can help you as well. So, it's a tea, and first off, we're gonna start off with some frozen fruit, and I got some frozen strawberries, I got some frozen grapes, I got some frozen blueberries, and I got some frozen pineapple. And I'm using frozen fruit because once I put this frozen fruit into this drink, I can immediately drink it. So that's why I use frozen fruit. You see me cut the other fruit, but with the blueberries, I smashed them because I want to extract all the antioxidants out of those blueberries. So that's the only reason I smashed them. And you can actually eat this fruit after you drink the drink as well. But so I got the fruit prep, and then you see me with the tea. Now that tea is called Bonita Peach, and I got it from the Tea Exchange. You can get your own tea. It doesn't matter what tea you use, but that's beautiful peach. And then I got some terminado sugar there. You can use honey, you can use agave, but I used a little terminado. I want to use some local honey, but I couldn't get around to getting it. But my man Jermaine, he got me some beautiful local honey. So once I get around to getting it, I'm gonna get it and I'm gonna use that honey in a lot of my recipes. So there you go. You see me go in with the water in the tea. Make sure that water is not boiling, and make sure you use the water temperature that's designated for the tea you're using. So this is an herbal tea, so I think that water temperature was about 180. Just make sure you use whatever temperature the package say, use that for the water. Now you see me going down with my fresh fruit in my glass, and I'm just layering it any kind of way. It doesn't matter because, like I said, this fruit is going to help cool down the tea, but you can also eat this fruit as well. Finishing up with the strawberries at the top. Look at those beautiful strawberries. This tea is so good, I'm telling you. Even you can actually omit the sweetness because as it steeps and as it sets, it's going to continue to get sweeter depending on how sweet the fruit you used was. So that's another key there. And see, I'm going on with the terminado. And the tea is just sitting there extracted. You don't have to brew this tea for a long period of time either. It brews pretty quickly. And you want to brew it at that maximum, and once it's done, you want to go ahead and pop it in that glass because you want to enjoy it before it starts getting all bitter and stuff. So there you see me popping it over the glass in my tea strainer. I got that tea strainer from Tijuana when they were still in business, but I think you can find those online. And then you see me going in with the spoon, just stirring up some of them. Make sure the terminado is stirred up, but the liquid, where the water was warm enough that it dissolved it immediately, and then the fruit is actually cooling it down now. So you can actually take a big gulp of this. That's how cool it is, but it's still fairly warm, like a hot tea, but it's not super hot. Well, you take a sip and it burn your mouth. So that's why I go in with the frozen fruit. And there you have it, man. The most beautiful, amazing tea you can make. This helped me out a lot during COVID-19. Hopefully it'll help you, man. Thank you guys for checking this video out. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm out.